student at NetSoft Communications. I've been here for the last year and a half or about there, and I'm just here to say that I've been enjoying my time here at this IT Academy. I've been looking for a school to expand my knowledge and experience. I've been in the IT industry for the last 6 or 7 years at least. I've always enjoyed expanding my knowledge of the various products that are available out there and the different vendors. This is what I believe one of the schools that has made me feel as if what I've been learning in class is directly applicable and relevant. That what I'm learning is what the job market needs. And so I'm proud to say that I've enjoyed coming here and look forward to continue to take courses and upgrade myself here, and that way I'll continue to be a relevant contributor in the IT workforce in Canada.